こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Grammar video number 26 of JLPT N4 and we're gonna continue with the 自動詞 and 他動詞 intransitive verbs and transitive verbs, and this is the second part. We're going to learn 7 verbs to say to break. The first verb is this one. Something が故障します。This is intransitive verb, and this means something breaks down. Please look at this word, 故障中. Maybe you see this in the cartel. The meaning is not available for use or out of order, out of service. We use this verb, 故障します in many occasions. For example, vehicles such as 車 cars. Also for electric and electronical appliances. 電化製品 電化製品 電化 electric or electronic 製品 products. Also house appliance or household appliance. 家電 家電 For example, vacuum cleaner. 掃除機 This key, this machine. Machine for 掃除します。掃除します to clean the house. So the machine to clean the house. 掃除機 refrigerator, fridge. 冷蔵庫 computer or personal computer. コンピューター or パソコン We use this verb 故障します for bigger machines too. For example, vending machine 自動販売機自動販売機自動 this itself 販売 to sell and machine 自動販売機 Elevator broke down or elevator is broken エレベーターが故障しました The second verb, the meaning is to break. But in this case, something is torn like this. 紙が破れました。Something が破れる、破れます。This is group 2, so very easy. 破れる、破れます。破れて、破れた、破れない。This verb is used to express something is torn. For example, anything made of paper. Paper is 紙. Other examples of things. For example, letters. 手紙. Material, documents. 資料. 資料. Pictures. 写真. Not only papers, also clothes can be torn. So, 洋服. 洋服 this is clothes. We can also use this verb 破れる with the texture of cloth. 生地 生地 with this 漢字 生地 Socks are torn. 靴下靴下が破れました Something が破れる This is intransitive verb. But there's the transitive verb of this one. Something を破る破ります This is group 1. So 破ります破る破って破った破らない紙を破ります With this transitive verb 破る破ります There are some very useful or interesting expressions. To break the record. The record 記録記録を破ります To keep a promise 約束 This is promise 約束を守ります約束を守る But to break the promise To break 約束を破る破ります To follow the rules 規則を守る規則を守ります This 規則 This means the rules We can say 規則 like this or as in English rule Both are okay But break the rules we use with 破る。規則を破る。規則を破ります。The third verb to say to break. Something が割れる。割れます。But in this case, this is to fissure or to crack or to split. So we use with glasses, crystals, or ceramics. The plate is broken. お皿が割れました。We also use for コップ。コップ is like this. Like these things. This is コップ。When we say カップ with カップ is like this. Like teacup. This is カップ。And mug, a mug, we say マグカップ。This is another example of マグカップ。mug, the bigger. When we say グラス with グラス is like this, like a wine glass. So please be careful. This is コップ。コップ。And this one is グラス。ガラス。In English, you say also glass, so it's quite confusing. But when we say ガラス, it's like crystals. And 窓ガラス。窓ガラス。This is window pane. We use something が割れる with this verb with these nouns. And the transitive verbs. Something を割るを割ります。This is group 1. So 割る割ります。割って割った割らない。It means someone breaks something or someone cracks something. A robber cracked the window pane of a car. This word 犯人, the literal meaning is criminal person. 犯人. But it can be many things. For example, 犯人 can be a murderer or committer and a robber. 犯人が自動車の車の窓ガラスを割りました。犯人が車の窓ガラスを割りました。This transitive verb 割ります can mean other things. This is used in mathematics. It means division. For example, this one we say like this. 6割る3は2。6割る3は2。And this one 割り算。割り算 it means the division. The fourth verb, the meaning something breaks. Something が折れる。Something が折れます。This is the second group of the verb. The meaning of to fracture or to snap off. The bone is broken or the bone is fractured. 骨が折れました。鉛筆の芯 You know, 鉛筆 pencils. And 鉛筆の芯 with this kanji 芯 is the lead in a pencil. This is okay, but this one 鉛筆の芯が折れました。This intransitive verb, something が折れる we can use with our feelings poetically. My heart breaks. 心が折れます。I lose my heart. 心が折れます。The transitive verb, something を折ります or something を折る Group 1. 折って、折った、折らない。In this case, someone breaks something like this, or someone snaps off something. Don't break the twig of a tree. A branch of a tree, 枝, only this part, 枝. And if this is a twig, 小枝, 小枝. 小枝を折らないでください。小枝を折らないでください。This transitive verb, 折る can also mean to fold papers. 折ります。So this is why 折り紙 I think you know 折り紙 this paper to fold something. The fifth verb is something が崩れる。You see this kanji here? This part is the mountain. In this case, the meaning is to crumble, to slump, or to collapse. We use this verb, 崩れる, with mountains, buildings, or ceiling, or the roof. Landslide. This word, landslide, we say 土砂崩れ. This was the 崩れ, the verb. And 土, this is 土, soil. 砂, this is 砂. The sand, the soil and the sand. And they collapse. This is 土砂崩れ, landslide. The mountain crumbled down caused by heavy rain. Heavy rain, downpour, torrential rains, 大雨、大雨。大雨で山。大雨で山が崩れました。大雨で山が崩れました。And the transitive verbs, something を崩す。This is group 1. 崩します。崩す。崩して。崩した。崩さない。It means someone breaks down something. Someone crumbles something. Someone destroyed something. My little brother broke my sand castle. A sand castle. 砂のお城。砂 this is sand. お城 or only 城 with an O. This is castle. So 砂のお城 sand castle. 弟が砂のお城を崩しました。崩した。弟が砂のお城を崩した。There's a useful expression. お金を崩す。お金を崩します。It doesn't mean you destroy your money, but お金を崩す it means to break a bill or to break a note. Maybe you need small coins and you only have a bill. So you need to exchange this money for the smaller pieces. So お金を崩す。The sixth verb. In this case, to fall down or fall over. But this is in one block. Like this. Something が倒れます。倒れる。In this case, something is like a building or trees. A tree fell down in a typhoon. 台風で木。台風で木が倒れました。台風で木が倒れました。This intransitive verb, 倒れる can be used with persons. Someone が倒れる。It means someone got sick or someone fainted or someone collapsed. Grandmother collapsed due to illness. おばあちゃんが倒れました。おばあちゃんが倒れました。Transitive verb, someone を something を倒します。倒す。グループ1。倒す。倒します。倒して。倒した。倒さない。To beat your opponent or to defeat your opponent. To win your opponent. 相手を倒します。Excuse me, would you mind if I put my seat back? Or would you mind if I reclined my seat? The seat, we say, 座席。座席。We use 座席 in the airplanes, the buses, cars, trains. 座席。this is 座ります to sit down. So the sit down and the seat. 座席。The seat. すみません。座席を倒してもいいですか？すみません。座席を倒してもいいですか？ Seventh and the last verb to say to break. Something が壊れる. And this one is the most universal one. We use 壊れる a lot. Do you remember that we learned 故障します to break in the machines. But this 故障します we can use all of them with 壊れます and we use much more. 壊れます is the big one and inside of this 壊れます just one part is 故障します and the transitive verb someone breaks something を壊す壊します Do you remember I explained before when the little brother destroyed his the sand castle? Then I used this verb を崩す but maybe boy doesn't know this word 崩す and we can also say を壊す弟が僕の砂のお城を壊した弟が僕の砂のお城を壊した。cell phone is broken. 携帯が壊れた。スマホが壊れた。suitcase is broken. スーツケースが壊れた。The toy is broken. おもちゃが壊れた。Now, a quite useful expression. お腹が壊れる。お腹が壊れた。お腹 This is stomach or bowel. The stomach is broken. You know what it means? My stomach is upset. Or I have the runs. お腹が壊れた。Or you can also say with a transitive verb. お腹を壊しました。The same meaning. Now a quiz time with 4 translations into Japanese. 1番目。Microwave is broken. Microwave, we say 電子レンジ。電子レンジ。But in many occasions, we can omit this part 電子 and we only say レンジ。2番目。Please don't break this promise. Never, never, never. 3番目。A chair is broken. The chair, we say 椅子。椅子。4番目。最後です。It's a little bit difficult, okay? ちょっと難しいですよ。頑張ってね。The lovely cup that my friend gave me is broken. The last one was quite difficult because it was the relative clause. Thank you very much for watching my video till the end. It was quite hard, isn't it? But if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it too. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will be great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日も自動詞と他動詞の勉強を続けました。今日の動画は、さすがにちょっと疲れました。ここまで見てくださって本当にありがとうございます。この動画が良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私の動画をお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。ぜひお願いします。自動詞と他動詞、これはまだ続きますから楽しみにしていてくださいね。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね、またね。